see a lot of people like this maybe do something like this at one point and then 10 years later come back to you and say, now we need it for something for us rather than for the kids?
Yes. If we do it, it's more cosmetic after.
Yeah.
You know, we don't need the dance studio.
Yeah.
You know, my husband's working from home now. Let's make it a home office. But yes, we can convert from lifestyle A to lifestyle B. And empty nesters.
I've talked to many of your clients who've come back again and again.
Yes.
You know, so that's kind of neat to see their needs change and then they come back to you. Because, you know, they've worked with you and they know what a good job you guys do. Yeah,
we're doing a job now where we proposed a sunroom addition with an elevator 8 years ago.
Really?
And they just, now, 8 years later, the demand is there.
Yeah.
And we're out there now in Sandy Springs doing that job right now with the elevator. And that's what most people don't realize, especially in the in-town areas where, you know, master's on the second floor, or it's a drive-under garage, and they're saying, you know, I'm just going to sell it, buy a townhome. Well, prices are high, so they'd rather stay in their house, more private, more land, and then invest and get what they want and have the elevator in there.
So you also do some new construction, right? So
yes.
How would you say that remodeling your home compares to building a home in today's market? Because a lot's changed. You know, in the whole housing market in the last 10 years in Atlanta. So tell me how you would see, like, remodeling versus building.
Well, the key is location. So 95% of the people that we remodel for want to stay in their neighborhood or their zip code. That's one of the biggest demands, and their property. Now, when you step into new construction, of course, area is important, but typically in new construction, you're going to get a lot of house on a little piece of property. Like we're building in Sandy Springs where we tore one house down and we put 2 houses up on one lot.
Wow. So
you're going to get a 3,700 square foot house on a little less than a quarter acre.
Really?
Yes. So, and your price is going to be $800 to $900.
And aren't building materials a lot more expensive now than they were during the recession?
Labor, materials fluctuate, but labor has, because of the demand of all construction, residential, commercial, you know, road construction, skilled labor is at a demand, so we're paying a premium. But new construction has value because you've got 9, 10-foot ceilings. Everything is brand new. So a client might say, I want new construction because I can't afford to renovate my entire house. So they'll go new construction and sacrifice the lot.
Yeah.
And depending on children and grandkids. But what I tell all of my clients is, you know, is to get educated with what your house is worth, what it costs to sell it and to move, the aggravation factor, and then look at what's it going to cost for me to renovate it to your needs.
Yeah.
And 98% will stay in their house.
Really?
Yes.